बीजिंग में चल रही शीतकालीन ओलंपिक से पहले चीन को एक और झटका लगा है। अमेरिका और ऑस्ट्रेलिया के बाद अब कनाडा ने भी चीन की राजधानी बीजिंग में आयोजित हो रही शीतकालीन ओलंपिक खेलों के राजनयिक बहिष्कार करने पर तिब्बतियों ने भारत सहित दुनिया के देशों का आभार जताया है। तिब्बत कांग्रेस मनाली ने आज बर्फबारी के बीच एक कार्यक्रम आयोजित किया और चीन के खिलाफ रोष प्रकट किया। पदाधिकारियों और कार्यकर्ताओं ने कहा कि चीन में लगातार हो रहे मानवाधिकार के उल्लंघन से तिब्बतियों के साथ समस्या दुनिया के लोग चिंतित हैं। हम ओलंपिक खेलों में भाग लेने वाले दुनिया के खिलाड़ियों का पूरा समर्थन करते हैं, लेकिन चीन का विरोध प्रकट करते हैं। उन्होंने कहा,
We the people of Lahaul Spiti tribal area which is adjoining Tibet border and all the tribal areas of inner Himalayan region support the movement of Tibetan people who have rallied from Bangalore to Delhi, and the main purpose of the rally was boycott for Chinese Olympics which are taking place, and we thank all the countries who have come forward in the support of Tibetans and boycotting the Olympics. I heartily thank from all the people of Lahaul Spiti, and I being the vice chairman and chairman of National Commission for Scheduled Tribe and MLA from Lahaul Spiti and holding other posts also of Congress, Vice President Himachal Congress, fully agree and see that the Chinese aggression which had taken place, history can't be erased. The area which Chinese are occupying at the moment, if you see the history, they were occupying only 30% of it. Slowly, it has been annexing the Tibetans and other countries also, and the brutal rule has really suppressed the human rights of Tibetans especially, and the environment has been really tempered. And I think worldwide it is a matter of shame. The COVID which happened, the Chinese are not clear whether they have done it or they have not done it. They are still under shadow. So I request and I appeal to all the other countries also not to participate in the Olympics, so that the Chinese are taught lesson and they should be living a life globally with the countries who are dependent on each other of today day and age we see. And also, like we see in this forest also, we are standing here, that all the trees, devda trees, bushes, flowers, grass, all live side by side, and we should be living in harmony. And that is the teaching of His Holiness the Dalai Lama, who is a preacher of peace, harmony and compassion. And especially India being Buddhist sector, from where Buddhism has come and it has evolved throughout the world, we support the cause of Tibetans. Thank you.
Vögyalo! 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 Jai Bharat, Jai Tibet.